Hello, welcome to another property tour. This is Govindraj, your real estate golfer from Coldwell Bankers, Jayanagar office. Today we are in K R Puram on the main road. We have bought you a beautiful property which has got an OC and ready to occupy flats. We have 3 bedroom and 4 bedroom. We have 4 bedroom with a garden area. Choice we have plenty. Please contact the following number. We have all the amenities in the complex, and the best part is we have 2 swimming pools, an exclusive swimming pool for 4 bedroom and penthouses, and we have another swimming pool on the podium area. You should have a look. If you are interested, give us a call now.